what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using my eyeshadow and making it look like I have a bruise. Okay, so first, if you want to make it look like you have a bruise, you're going to need some makeup. And you're going to take some white eyeshadow at first, just to put the coating, and I'm going to make it look like I busted my knuckle. Like I hit it. It's like making little flurries. You guys can't see it, but it is. Jeez. Okay, after you put your white coating on, you kind of want to blend it. If you have a beauty blender, that'll help more. Sorry, parents, if you're watching this, but some kids like to prank. So if you get pranked by your kids with this prank, you'll be ready for it because you'll know if it's coming. But you gotta make sure it's not actually real, because if it's real and you say it's a prank, well, that's bad. Or if you're pranking your kids, you can use this hack. Okay, so I made that. Now we gotta put like the little red layer to make it kind of look like it got red. Okay, now after you put red, you're gonna put purple to look like a bruise. It adds like that bruise texture. You see, like it'll get to look like bruise, but it doesn't really look like it because it's mine doesn't look as real because it's, first I'm actually gonna cover this with red so it looks like a red spot on my hand. My hand is white. Okay, we might want to get it a little more dark because we really want that to look red. Like I hit my hand. Okay. Done with that. Just let me wipe my makeup brush off. Okay. Wiped it off. Okay, now I need my purple now. Purple, purple, purple. We got a lot of purple on the brush. Now I'm going to do it, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. I'm gonna see you guys back when I'm done. Okay, everyone. Now that I got my bruise done, it doesn't really look that real, so we're gonna make it go away. Okay, but we're gonna be using makeup to use my skin color tone. And on my next birthday, I'm getting everything I want because I have like $2 million in my bank account. I'm kidding. Okay, so this is really red, so it's gonna take a while. So we're gonna use this glittery skin tone. I know it's glittery, but okay, that did not work at all. I need more skin tone color. I know this isn't my skin tone, but we're going so. We're getting the pink off at the moment. Alright, now I need some of not my skin tone, and now I need white. White will get the color away. Like that colorway, and then you put your skin tone, and it'll get off and look like it's not there. Like it's gonna look like my hand is perfectly fine when it actually has makeup on it. I'm gonna make this look like my normal hand again. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, guys, this is not going so well, but I am still going to keep going. Okay, guys, I think this is working. Okay, I just gotta add a little bit more. Blend it, blend it, blend, blend, blend. Okay, now we need some white. Wait. I just showed you guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take you to the bathroom and I'm gonna show. Me getting this off. Take out my hand. And take out my soap. And just squirt. Get some soap. I think I had to break out my pores in my hand. We're gonna get all that makeup off. Okay guys, I am washing this off. And I'm gonna show you the result of my clean hands. Okay guys. Done.